What's good, everybody? It's your boy Leo back with another video. We got Bay over here. She's tired. It's 9 in the morning, and we're going to go get something to eat. That's the whole video. Hope you enjoy. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're going to go to the Texas Air Show, so that's gonna be fun. Go look at some planes, some helicopters, watch them fly, take some pictures with some. I'm super excited. I don't know, how do you feel? She's excited for it. Yeah, I haven't been to one since I was in high school, so it's gonna be cool. So yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat and then head over there. Yo, we stopped at a Mexican restaurant. Just ordered, so when our food comes, I'll show you all that. And then we got our food. I got some beef fajita quesadillas. And beautiful. And the pigadillo. The big ham and egg, potatoes and beans. We finna fuck it up. Alright guys, we just left. I'm so well, no, I'm not even so full. I'm perfectly full. How about you? She's full. I'm perfectly full. So life's good right now. We're gonna head to the air show. We made it past the gates. There's so much traffic though, because everybody's coming. I guarantee you, watch, we're gonna end up going all the way around probably, because that's probably where the parking is. It's over there, right? Damn. Well, we are here. Yup. That's it, guys. We might not make it. Brian went rogue and followed this guy off-road. They're coming after us. I heard them call it airstrike already. We might not make it. Whoever gets this footage, please upload to Leon the Loose at YouTube. Please remember me, guys. Oh! Well, we made it. We are finna line up and get picked up by these buses and taken to the area we need to be. Sick with it. I feel like I'm in a damn like zombie movie or something. Like the world's ending, so we're gonna get in line, get on the buses. You don't take nothing but one bag. We're gonna do it. This thing is huge, bro. Super Galaxy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. These guys are huge. You see that? That don't even look real. That thing is so huge. Look at the tires. They're as tall as you are. You know when their tires go up, they rotate? They rotate sideways when they go up. It's amazing. Such a beautiful plane. Oh, watch your stuff. That's what they told Iron Man when he was coming out the bottom of one. Yeah. Look, it's a flight crew. Huh? It's a flight crew. This is crazy. The fact that they could fit Humvees in this thing is like crazy. The amount of like soldiers that could fit in here.
So how do they like shut them down?
On the floor.
People.
Those are the chairs.
There's no seatbelt?
Yeah. If I'm right, I believe it comes out somewhere. It's like a strap. Look. So they got their hooks and stuff to strap the equipment to the ground. All the good stuff. Sick. We're literally coming out the front of this dude. The cockpit's up there. The whole like front of it. It's the sea ladder, yeah. This is the C5 Super Galaxy Bay. This thing is amazing. So lit. Watch your step, watch your step. They got the grip. It's all good. You just gotta bend your knees when you're walking down. Go that way, go that way, go that way. Yeah. Look at that. Look.
Wherever they may be, I got plenty of air for you.
Look, you're gonna see. It's the spirit. Look, they got literally a kid up there. Look at those blades. Wow. Enter, exits. Look at cannon right there. That thing literally shoots. Look, you see the laser guided camera?
The what?
The camera, it's a laser guided camera right there. It's able to see the ground. And look, they got their like miniature, like real big like artillery piece over here. Let's go around. Bro, this is so amazing. Look, you see it? And that's the shells that it shoots out. Those things destroy vehicles. Look at the bullets for the smaller gun. Things like as long as your arm. Holy, that's crazy. The line goes over there. Don't worry, we're not gonna get into it. I don't think I would fit in the cockpit. I'm too big. But I just had to come see it up close. Wow.
Is this a fighter jet?
Yes, this is a fighter jet.
Oh my god. I want to get in.
You can't get it in.
I want to fly it.
It's a F-16.
Do you think they teach me how to fly it?
I mean, they'll probably tell you, but teach you?
Did someone go in the back? Oh, they're so tiny.
Go what?
In the back.
No, it's a one-seater.
Someone flies it.
Yeah, it's a one-seater. It's a beautiful F-16.
How do they get in?
They usually have a ladder that they hook up, and they crawl up the little ladder. We're not going in. I just want to show you. I want to talk to you. This is the air refueling. You see right here? Look at that. This thing's huge, bro. You can literally walk under it. If I'm not mistaken, right here, you see the little like bulge hanging down? That I think is the refueling, like where they control the stick. Because right there's the boom. See the boom? It goes all the way up. We'll go around that side so you can see it. But look at the wheels. Yeah, look. That's where they lay. I think. That's where the boom master comes. Yeah. So he looks from there with the screen and, you know, through the glass. And he controls this thing. Look at it. It's the fuel stick. So it's the gas pump. Wow. Yeah, that thing extends out. Like it lowers. But then you see the fuel pump right there? It comes out. The little silver part right here? It comes out like a noodle. Bro, this is crazy. They literally have F-35s here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 F-35s. Huh? See what?
What you talking about?
What do you mean?
You said go over there.
Oh, we're going over here. Oh, you're talking about the medic station.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know. Well, let's go read it. You know about the medical stuff? Go over here. You can read it on this side. Bro, the lines, excuse my cough. The lines are too long to get in these planes, bro. But I know what they look like on the side because I've been watching YouTube videos. Demonstration only for medical concerns. Proceed to designated medical aid station. Oh, so right here, look. Go ask a couple questions.
I don't want to ask questions. I want to see what they got.
Oh, we'll see what they got. I mean, you pretty much already know half of this stuff, probably. At least the equipment. That's an F-35 mate. It has his engine face down because it can go straight up. Wow. Well, that's cool. Learning a little bit about some medic stuff. Lit. F-35 is flying around making a hella noise. Usual. Damn. Oh, I wish we could get closer to the F-35, bro. I'm so like far away. When we get around the front, I want to take a picture of the front of it. Look, there goes one up there. Look, he's gonna roll over. Oh my, look, called it. Look how smooth that is. That's like nothing.
Which one is that one?
Wow. F-15s. I don't know exactly which ones they are. They could be the F-15Es or the regular F-15. Some bad motherfuckers. Oh my god, they got a Humvee. I'm going to see the Humvee. Oh look, that's the VR thing that I got on. You could put it on and it's like you're driving a boat, I think. The roar of the engine is amazing. This is lit. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. Right? It's the F-35 bay. Their engines could go straight down.
It looks different.
Because it has its flaps and stuff open and the engine's down right now. So when it's regular flying, it's like, oh, the engine is straight. But it can rotate its engine down. And do that. It could have one of two jets that could do that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. My favorite helicopter. Black Hawk helicopter. Holy smack. Joint Light Tactical. These are basically the next Humvees. Did you feel the door on the Humvee? It was like thin. Bro, this motherfucker is solid, straight steel. Bro, look at the wheels, bro. Look at the fucking wheels, bro. All you truck guys think you got fucking wheels. Not when it comes to this guy. Shows you. This is the utility one, so it has its like utility storage. That's why it has the box up top. Look at the door. Look at the door. You see the thickness of the door there? Yeah. Amazing. Not as amazing as this big guy over here. America's best tank. Shit, the world's best tank, to be honest. It's the Commander. They usually have a 50 cal rigged up to their whole thing right there. These wheels, bro. Armor plating, and they have like basically add-ons. You can add armor onto this, and it comes out to like right here. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
This is so sick. Look at the fucking barrel on that thing. That's where the smoke flares come out. Look at this, babe. Look at the main cannon, and it has a little gun on the side. Yeah, because they don't got nothing on them. But you see the little like silver things right here?
Yeah.
There's one on each side. They can literally put a machine gun there and shoot. They put some cargo back here.
Good job. Look, mommy.
These are Air Force vehicles. And then look, got another big boy. But look at this one. Look how low he is. This thing's pure, beautiful, just American steel. Probably. I don't know. Look at that. Look at the inside, babe. It's so tight. Whoa. Talk about a wide body kit, my guys. Shit. This motherfucker's beautiful. Look at these guys. Some World War II planes. I do not know exactly what's what. Not very educated on the World War II planes themselves specifically, but they are badass motherfuckers. Man, that's so scary. Look at that. Just everybody can see you. Look at this beautiful guy. Wow. Look at that. Look, it's adopt. So beautiful, right? Yeah.
Looks like a beach.
Some bombers. Wow. Look at the guns on the back.
What?
The guns on the back is a tail turret. Imagine being that guy. Look at the side.
Yeah.
50 cal and everything. I need a picture right here. Wow. United States Air Force. America's greatest fighting force.
Rolls the aircraft immediately. Watch now.
Hell yeah.
Who knows? The film's gonna
Look at this thing. My man's got rocket pods and everything. Wicked.
Oh, how about that, San Antonio? That is the maneuver built called the Wooey Tumble.
Look at it.
An aircraft tumble nose over tail. Multiple times.
There's a shark painted on him. Here's the gunner. The pilot, the gunner. A-10 is about to fly over. Oh. Kind of sad I missed like one of their demonstrations that I wanted to see. Whoa. Kind of upset I missed that, but whatever. There's other stuff to see, I guess. But there's like an Air Force like combat rescue thing. There's a Black Hawk and everything. But I was stuck in the stupid ass long lines over there. Whatever. Sorry though. We'll see what happens. You don't even know what they're gonna do. Look.
Notice how quiet it is passing by Show Center. This gives the operators a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory and allows for more suitable operations. Land and stop. Very distance.
Look. Just gotta do a slow pass by. Got the Thunderbirds over there. Thunderbirds over there. That's what we walked through when we first came. That's crazy. The Japanese are attacking. Then up close, the motherfuckers are huge. So update, we found a new spot. We're pretty much all the way on the other side. And there's food behind it, so that's good. I got a Philly cheesesteak. Overpriced, of course. It was okay, it was decent. Got a drink, babe got a drink. Now we're just chilling. She's sitting down. Bought her a chair because she's tired. But yeah, enjoying it. Thunderbirds over there. They come on at 3, and it is currently 2:02. So 58 minutes. Then they perform. So yeah. Yep. We got a World War II plane, fighter plane, and an F-35. Sick. Nah, bro, it's coming straight down, bro. It's low-key scary as fuck. It's about to get loud in 3, 2, 1. Damn, that's so loud. I literally said a whole sentence during that time. Y'all did not hear. Wicked. Babe, I told them a whole sentence when the jet was going by. They did not hear me for sure. That thing turns like nothing. Bro, the sun came out. Shout out to the sun. Oh, holy fuck, it's hot, bro. This shit, the sun is like literally my Alright, before I was rudely interrupted, the sun's out, and bro, my shirt is hot as fuck right now, bro. It's so hot. Babe's over here dying. She's been up all night long because she worked the night before, and then we just came on our way straight here. So she's tired and hot. I mean, I'm chilling. I'm just, my chest burns because the fucking sun is just so powerful. But other than that, good times. Good times. Very good times. Just waiting for the Thunderbirds. And then we'll leave after they perform. Zadi. Bro's going to outer space for real. Because he's a professional. How did he not pass out? He has a helmet with oxygen, and he knows how to breathe. Oh, it's gonna get loud. Hell yeah, this is cool. Now, that is pretty cool. Seeing them fly like that in a close formation is sick. Now, just imagine if they were able to like drop bombs. Ooh, that'd be sick. Thunderbird 5, where you at? Where you at? Oh, there they are. Oh, they're over there. They're over there. Look at you. In between these two dudes' heads, Mr. Who's Your Daddy and whatever. That was crazy. That was cool, huh? Bro, that's awesome. And you wanted to leave. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Oh, look, the other one's coming behind him. Oh, he's about to go through him. Bad idea. That was sick, bro. Darted right through him. Oh yeah. Wicked. On our way out. The Thunderbird's pretty much almost done performing. They're right over there. Got some Kona ice, shaved ice, because it's hot. This is really fucking delicious. But yeah, we got a long walk, and then we gotta take a shuttle ride back to the parking lot where we parked at. And yeah, experience at the air show out of 10. Give it a solid 8. What about you?
A 6.
Why a 6?
It's hot as fuck.
But you can't control that.
And everything's expensive.
Everything is expensive, but that's any event or anything you do. But experience, it's a good experience. Their porta potties are clean. I had to take a piss, and it was very clean, so that's why they get a bump up. But yeah. All right. Boy, it's gonna take us a minute to get out of here. We'll be in this line for a long time before we get to our car. Don't know. But if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's your boy Leo. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.